There's a four level of value that will create more wealth for you, for your business, and for your life. So this is the four value that help you to create a abundance of wealth, and it will change your life, then it will change your career. And this four level of value I learned from Mr. Myron Golden, the main himself, the god of online marketing, sales, and for so many things. So this is the four value level of value I'm going to show you on my screen. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you are watching me for the first time, please make sure do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. This is something that helped me to grow more, to reach out to the more people. And on this channel, I am going to share with you organic marketing stuff, sales funnel stuff, affiliate marketing stuff. So please do subscribe to the channel, and let's get jump on my screen. The four level of value that create more wealth for you by Mr. Myron Golden himself. So if you don't know who he is, I have video where in that video I shared about him. So make sure you check that video in I button after completing this video. So level one of values. Then there's a four level of number one is implementation. Level one is called implementation. So implementation is the lowest level of value. See, this is the value which is completely lowest level, and there you put your time, effort, energy, but you are not able to generate that much of revenue. So implementation is the lowest level of value. Here you are getting paid on the basis of hourly. So many times you are going for any hourly work or hourly basis work, for part-time job or part-time work, or any kind of stuff that you do, that is called implementation level. There you are just putting your physical energy to generate revenue. People believe that money only comes when you do hard work. This kind of work, like be you are repairing any car, you are selling something on physical store, that is something implementation level of values that according to Mr. Myron Golden. So people believe that money only comes when we do hard work. Level one is often very active and the opposite of passive income. Here, on level one, you don't have any opportunity to generate passive income or to get passive income, because you are putting energy, you are putting efforts for creating any new house, bricks and mortar business. Then you are repairing, and you have any car garage, you have any physical store, there you are repairing your laptop or something that is not create any kind of passive income for you. So if you want to increase your values, you need a level 2 of mindset shift to create a more passive income. So this is the level 1 where you only have implementation things, where you are only on implementation stuff, and you put a lot of hard work, you put a lot of your energies, you put a lot of your physical energy to generate revenue, and you are not growing that much. So for that, if you wanted to generate more wealth, if you wanted to generate more revenue, you have to shift your mindset towards level 2, which is unification. Unification is something that is at this level you manage the people who do the things. On implementation you are doing by yourself, on unification you are on a manager level position, so you are managing the stuff for the people or the other thing for the other people. So our key factor is leveling up your income, is positioning yourself in the unification level. There is a key factor. If you wanted to grow your business, if you wanted to grow your income, you have to increase your position, and you have to increase you level up your position, and it help you on unification level. So unification level help you to give you the position, and the more you shift to level 2 thinking in your business, the more impact you can have. So now we are in the business of making an impact, we are in the business of making our impact, our income. So if you wanted to make more impact in people's life, what you have to do is you have to shift your mindset towards level number 2, which is unification level. Next one is your greatest resource to make money on level 2 is your management skill. So you need to learn how to manage people. Your management skill is most important on this particular level, and then you are going to make more money. And then if you wanted to generate more revenue, so then you have to shift your mindset from level 2 to level 3. So if you want to increase your values more, you need to shift from level 2 to level 3, and level 3 is a communication level. Right now I am communicating with you. Right now I am delivering this video in front of you, delivering this audio, this episode, right? So communication level. So in communication level 3, you use your words to create wealth. Right now I am using my words, I am speaking in front of you, I am talking, and I am using my words to create wealth, right? So that is where communication level is help you in a lot of ways. So it's about communication that creates higher income for yourself while helping others. By creating this content, by creating this episode, I'm helping you, but at the same time I'm helping myself to generate revenue as well. So have this thing in your mind, like how your communication is help other people, and this is the best level for you to generate the wealth. There is one more level we have still, but this is the third level that you can implement. For me, Nilesh, this level, which is communication level, helping me a lot in my journey, because of my interview shows, because of my video content, because of my audio content podcast, because of my uh, email and all. So it helped me here. So if I can talk about this, I am on the level 3, which is communication level, because I am publishing too much of content, I am talking a lot in front of my people, and I am creating my vast value, right? So if I show you this particular image, so this is the how it helped me. The first one is Marley Jacks, for my interview. Second one is Troy Aberle. He is in connection with the Tony Robbins, so many top entrepreneurs, and he generated 450 millions of dollars. This is where I'm building a relationship with those people. Then the third is the masterclass of mine. I'm doing a masterclass, right? So this is all helping me to create a communication level, to create a wealth, abundance of wealth. This all things. My podcast, right? Then the next fourth one is imagination. Here, people generated revenue because of their mind, and imagination is your mind is your greatest resource to create wealth. What's is the line? Your mind is your greatest resource to create wealth, and definitely our mind is more important than anything else, right? Then people in the level 4 are the idea people, the one who find a way to better lives to everyone. So on the fourth level, this level people are one who find a way to better lives of everyone. On this level we have the people who think they're because of their mind, like Sam Owens, Myron Golden, Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins. What they do, they use their mind. They being graciously. They all the people are using their mind to generate revenue, to create wealth. Yes, they have a team. So many things they have, but most thing is they are imagining the things. They imagine that yes, I am going to make it, and these are the dreamer who changed the very structure of entire industry. So think and grow rich, Napoleon Hill, what he did, he imagined the stuff, right? So there are the dreamers who changed very structure of entire industry, and you don't have to be Steve Jobs, Walt Disney, or Oprah Winfrey to be in the level 4. According to the Myron Golden, you don't have to be Steve Jobs, Walt Disney, Oprah Winfrey to be on the level 4. Anyone can be on the level 4. All you have to do is just give a pressure to your mind, think something different, think out of the box, and create imagination around your product, around your service. And that's where you create abundance of wealth. That's where you create abundance of growth into your business. You can integrate level 4 thinking into any business. Thinking is you can add into any business, and if you integrate it into your business, definitely you create abundance of wealth, right? So this is the 4 level of value. The number 1 is which is, let me stop there. The number 1 is implementation, second one is unification, third one is communication, and fourth one is this, that is imagination. So this is the 4 level of value that you can implement into your business, into your life, and to that help you to create more wealth into your journey. Now there is one more thing that you can have if you really wanted to grow your business, which is Myron Golden make more offers challenge. that help you to grow your business like crazy, that help you to create abundance of wealth if you understand the proper framework. So this is what I you can also join to this is the make more offer challenge by Myron Golden. I already published official review and it is already available on my profile. So what you can do is, this is the make more offer challenge. You can join this. The link is already up in the screen, available on this I button or end screen. So you can be a part of this make more offer challenge to grow your, to discover on how you can increase your business revenue by over 1280% in just 4 months. So I you can be a part of this make more offer challenge. Here's the link of available, and you can go and check out the review that I already done on Make More Offer Challenge. The link is in the I button. The link is appear on the end screen here as well. So be a part of this Make More Offer Challenge. And in the particular video, I have a special bonuses for you as well. Go and check that out. So till then, have a great rest of the day, and I hope you get value in this particular video. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. If you join me for the first time, please do subscribe and share with other people so they also get value from this particular video. And till then, Nilesh is signing off. Have a great day. Please share in the comment section which is the content you like to listen from me in the next episode.